How to open Google Vids.
Open Google Drive. On top left click New. Then click Google Vids.
How to insert templates and scenes. To insert templates, go to right side and click on Templates icon. You will find lots of templates here. Select the desired templates. A template is made of several pre-made scenes. You can choose the template to insert its all scenes by clicking on the bottom button Insert All Scenes. You can also decide to choose its only one scene by clicking on the scene. Also, you may insert blank scene like an empty slate by clicking plus button at right bottom. Alternatively, you may also do the same from top side Insert menu. How to insert your media from Google Drive and Google Photos. To insert your own media, go to right side and click on folder icon for My Media. Click on the Google Photos tab for inserting images and videos stored there. Click on the Google Drive tab to pull your photos and images, videos and audio. Click to insert the desired one. Also, you may insert your media from top side Insert menu. In the next section, we will learn how to insert stock media. Stock media is a collection of digital assets that can be licensed for reuse in personal and commercial projects. It can include a variety of media types such as videos, stock images, music, sound effects, GIFs. To insert stock media, go to right side and click on Stock Media icon. You will find is a collection of digital assets here. Click on the drop-down menu to select the media types. Selecting videos will gives you a number of options to choose. When you select stock images, you have the options to filter images by orientation and size. In a similar way, when you select music, you have the options to filter music by different categories. You can do the same process to select stickers that best fit to your project. Also, you can add different sound effects in your video. Using Google Vids, you can add different GIFs to express your video. You may also find stock media in the Insert menu. How to insert text. To insert text, go to right side and click on Text icon. You can add title, subtitle and body text. Also, you have the option to choose from pre-made designs of headlines, speakers, phrases, quotes, etc., which are easily customized to suit the need. You can also access text from top side Insert menu. How to insert shapes and lines. To insert shapes and lines, go to right side and click on Shapes and Lines icon. You can add shapes, arrows, callouts, draw lines and equations. You can also access shapes and lines from top side Insert menu.
Thank you.